Hi guys, welcome to Kiyomi TV. So a little history about the pet food industry. Cats and dogs are carnivores, and until the advent of the commercial pet food industry in the 1800s, they were primarily fed scraps of raw meat. Commercial pet food all started in England in 1860 when James Spratt invented the first dog biscuit. His biscuits made of beef blood, vegetables, wheat, and beetroot became wildly popular, and soon after many companies began making similar products. By 1890, commercial pet food had spread across the ocean to the United States. The 1900s was when pet food really took off. Canned horse meat and other goods designed for dogs and cats became very common. During World War II, however, metal was rationed and the pet food manufacturers had to create an alternative to canned foods for dogs and cats. Once the companies were able to create nutritionally complete formulas, the rest was history. Dry foods, which were created using a variety of ingredients, including animal byproducts and fillers such as corn, became the most popular form of feeding dogs and cats. This is mainly due to convenience and due to price. Thanks to the extrusion process invented by Purina and the ingredients made up mostly from the waste of the human food industry, it became very cheap to make and, as a result, well priced. It was also very easy to store and serve. So pet food really only has been around for a little over 100 years. I'm no evolutionary biologist, but I know 100 years is definitely not enough time for the digestive systems of our feline and canine friends to evolve. Because pet food is often made from the waste of the human food industry, it's not always made from the best ingredients. This is why more and more dog and cat owners are opting for home-prepared diets. Home-prepared raw food ensures that you are feeding quality food to your pets. Furthermore, cats and dogs, being carnivores, thrive off of a meat-based diet. Next week, we'll show you how to prepare a raw food diet for your cat or dog. Thanks for watching!